Hello guys, welcome to Red Vlogs. Today we will see the unboxing of Atomberg Renaissance Smart Plus ceiling fan. I have purchased this from Tata Click during this 2022 Republic Day sale. I have purchased this for around 5100 rupees, and actual MRP is you can see over the here sticker that is around 8440. And actually this box came like this, just like this. There was no wrapping or any bubble wrap or any protective layer. um, okay, let's see what's there inside. Okay, we can see this one envelope. Let's see what's inside. This we can see the manual. It's all about how to use or how to fix the fan, how to use it. All those stuff is there, and I think there is some more stuff inside. You can see there's a warranty card, 2-year warranty card, and this is additional 1-year warranty. You will get this additional 1-year warranty if you register in the website. And as you can see, only this model Smart Plus fan model only works with this Alexa and OK Google. And one more thing I want to share is this fan works on the BLDC technology, which saves 50% of your electricity bill, and that's the major point to purchase this thing. And we can see this. This is one upper dome for the fan. This is how it looks. There is a actual fan motor itself. This is the fan motor. This is how it looks. Let's keep this thing aside. There's control to control the fan. It's a small and very beautiful remote given, and two AAA batteries also given for this. There's one more box. Let's see what's there. Okay, this is nuts and bolts to fix the fan, and there is a connecting rod to the ceiling, and this is the stuff. And there are one more thing. These should be the blades to connect to the actual motor thing. And let's open. Actually, this is the earth brown. You can see on here. I have purchased this earth brown model color. I mean, these blades are lightweight when compared to the normal regular fan. Oh, it's very tight. Okay. Blades finishing is very good. It's very smooth, and it's very lightweight also. So this is the earth brown color, and we have two more colors, 2 or 3 more models. There's a white color if you want to purchase, and there is one more uh, like wooden color. if you want to purchase. So guys, this is it, the unboxing of the Renaissance Smart Plus fan. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.